Hey guys, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. I just wanted to do an unboxing of the Logitech Harmony Pro. I've had a lot of questions about this versus Savanna, URC, as well as Control 4 and some of the others on the market. This particular remote I've been using a ton recently. It has tons of flexibility built into it and sets up very quickly. Here's what's in the box. This is the Harmony Pro model, so it's one step above the Elite. And the reason that I like this model over the Elite is because of the custom integrator additional pieces that they include. The individual IR sensors is probably the biggest difference in the components. They have separate IR control to where each individual device can be controlled. It also includes the blasters if you just want to, if you have everything sitting in one room and you don't need to control like a TV in a separate area. And then they have the cover for the individual IR sensors, the base, and then the remote. Very nice, clean touchscreen remote. And then the base station that has your IRs 1 and 2 out on it, and then your pair reset button and your power. And your manual. This particular remote is, like I said, probably going to be one of the go-tos for 2019. If you guys have any questions or would like to purchase this, just feel free to give me a call. I'll try to upload a video after I get everything plugged in. Thank you for watching. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Alright guys, check it out. We just actually installed 2 of these Harmony Pro systems, and everything turned out really great. We have all of our devices laid out here on the screen, whether it's watching DirecTV, a movie through the Blu-ray player, smart TV, listening to music through Bluetooth or a CD player. You can add as many functions or activities as you'd like very quickly, and I can even make these changes for you remotely as a pro dealer. All it takes as the customer is just logging into the hub that you'd like, which is over here. Switching hubs, and you can see I have a little list here going of customers, but you can log into your particular hub. On this customer, it's called NY Girl, and all I'm going to do is click on that hub. It has 1 and 2. 2 is for up here in the theater room, and 1 is for down in the living room. And then you can see it populates what I was just looking at a minute ago. I can come over to watch TV, and with that 1 button press, it's going to turn everything over and get it ready to work for the DirecTV box. You look down here, you can control your volume on and off, as well as come in and create favorites, and right here, like for your channels. And the customer can arrange these however they'd like. It's a pretty cool, advanced interface. You can even control lights and shades and everything right through here. I'm pretty happy with it. I'll continue to play with it over the next few installs and let you guys know what I think. Thanks for watching. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater.